I need you to help me identify what kind of berries these are. These are growing in northern Minnesota. It's early September, and I'm going to pull one of these off and open it up so you can see the berry. There's a seed inside. There's a seed inside there. So what kind of berry is this? I'm going to taste it. I'm trying to identify what I would say it would taste like. Kind of like a cranberry, maybe? You can see the leaves on the tree. This is the tree height, or the bush height is, well, goes up to about 10 feet high. There's a lot of berries on here. I'm wondering if these are choke cherries. I have no idea. I've never had choke cherries. I've never even seen choke cherry, and I don't remember tasting them. But what kind of berry would grow in northern Minnesota in early September? 10-foot bush. You can see the leaves clearly. They're starting to yellow because I think everything's starting to yellow now that it's getting colder. But what kind of berries are these? Also, tell me if you eat these berries, whatever they are, these mystery berries. They look like they could be really good, and they look like they're perfectly ripe. Here's one that's not quite ripe yet, so it gives you an idea of what they look like. Here's a smaller bush. This one's standalone. I'm going to bend it a little bit. You can see that's about 8 feet high. You can see what the bark looks like. I'll get in there nice and close. See what the branches look like. But tell me, if you can eat these berries, what else can you do with these berries? I'm looking for ideas because I want to make good use of the resources that I have here at my cabin. They grow in a very sandy soil. It's very sandy. We're by the lake. We're at my lake house, and these berries look really good. I'd like to just sit down and eat them, but they have big seeds in them, and I have no idea if this is even healthy for me. So I don't want to eat a bunch of them. I think tasting one won't hurt me at all. But tell me what kind of berry it is and what you would do with it. We can all learn from each other. Thanks for watching Frosty Life.